It's time to say hello to Thailand's new digital arrival card. If you want to know about it, then make sure you watch this video, because you'll learn about it like I'm about to learn too. Woo!
Action.
Yay! She finally talked on camera. Good job, Fang-a-lang-a-ding-dong. Right then, as you saw from the intro, this is all about Thailand's new digital arrival card, otherwise known as a TDAC, which is coming out on the 1st of May. And I'm here to explain to you how it happens. So, if you're planning a trip to Thailand from May 1st onwards, there's a new step to take before you arrive in this tropical place we call paradise. Introducing to you the brand new Thailand Digital Arrival Card TDAC. Not AC/DC, because that's a whole different thing, isn't it? That's right, play an AC/DC song, girl. Aha! Nice! Right, so this new system is replacing the old paper arrival cards that you probably used to fill out mid-flight when you came into Thailand. I remember there were little tiny blue and white cards, and I've got a very long name. Not Jay the Shark, obviously, that's, don't tell anybody, but that's not my real name. What? Oh, no. I have a really long name, and it never used to fit on the little arrival cards. They were really small to write into, and you never had a pen. You had to ask someone for a pen. It was a real pain in the backside. They're getting rid of all that. All gone. It's now digital, that's right. So you could go online and you fill in the TDAC form within 3 days, that's 4, within 3 days of arriving, and you get it all done for you. Isn't that good? Yay! It's all part of Thailand's move towards a more streamlined, paper-free immigration experience and designed to make your life better and your arrival quicker, smoother and more efficient. So the question is, what is the TDAC? Put it on screen, look. What is the TDAC? Well, the Thailand Digital Arrival Card is an electronic arrival form that replaces a traditional paper version. Now, it must be submitted before you arrive in the country and includes basic information like travel, accommodation, and personal stuff. Not too personal stuff, I guess. I don't know, I've not really seen it yet. I'm not gonna have done it. I should have checked it out first. Anyway, there you go. Next question. So who needs to fill this out? Put that on screen. Who needs to fill this out? All foreign passport holders entering Thailand for tourism, business, or long stays, arrival by air, by land, or by sea. That includes individuals and groups, apparently. Yes, good. Right, exemptions. You can put that on screen again, exemptions. So anyone transit passengers who do not pass through immigration and travellers using a border pass. I don't know what a border pass is, and I'm not sure about transit passengers who pass through immigration. Why would you go through immigration if you're transferring somewhere else? I don't really know. Anyway, that's your exemptions. So next question on screen. Miguel, do this. When can I fill it in? Now, you could submit up to 3 days. That's 3 days before you arrive. So for example, if you're arriving on the 5th of May, then you can start submitting it from the 2nd of May. The system does go live on the 28th of April for early birds arriving on the launch date of the 1st of May. Okay, good. Next question. So what information do you need to complete your TDAC? What information do I need? Put that up there. Nice one, Miguel. So to complete your TDAC, you will need passport information, flight and transport details, accommodation in Thailand, and you have to do a simple health declaration. Now, submissions can be made via the official Immigration Bruno portal. Anyway, we'll put the link in the description and put the link up there. Just go and click that. Now, you can update your information anytime before you travel. So I think you can go back and redo it. Like I said, it's not open yet, so I haven't really checked it out. We'll do a whole video about checking it out, I guess. Good, right. Just a quick note for long-term expats. That's people that live here long-term. If you live in Thailand long-term, make sure you to select the Thailand under the country of residence section when filling out the TDAC. Once the system is active, of course. Got it? Good. So, for 5-star marine guests, here's what you need to know. So I could have just done this as a short video, to be fair, but anyway, I've done that rest of that stuff. It's good for SEO. Right, so for 5-star marine guests, complete your TDAC online at least 3 days before you flight or cruise into Phuket. 2, use the official site. Here it is, that one, and we'll put a link in the description as well. 3, have your passport, travel information, accommodation details ready. 4, traveling with friends or family. You can submit as a group. Hey, it's always things are better as a group, aren't they? That's right. And number 5, if you need help, feel free to contact 5-Star Marine Team for support, and we'd love to help you. Well, I say we would love to help you. I would love to help you. There you go. That's what you need, 5-Star Marine guests. So, what if you forget? Well, if you're like me and you have forgotten, don't panic. If you arrive without completing the TDAC, there will be help points at immigration who will assist you. But this may cause delays, so we strongly recommend getting it sorted online before you arrive. Got it? Good. So, are you ready to delve into paradise? Once you're through immigration, we'll be waiting to whisk you away on your island hopping adventure with 5-Star Marine. So don't let a misinformed delay your ocean escape. Get your TDAC done and let's go hit the water. There you go. I think I've explained that very well, haven't I? I only learned that this morning when Sean asked me to do this. There you go, done it all. Good. Like and subscribe if you do have any questions about the TDAC, not ACDC, then just comment below. We've got to go now because Fang behind the camera is looking very hot and bored. So she can press the off button. But wait, before you do that, just say goodbye.
Bye.
Yay, bye. Do you know when people do blackboards and they put their fingernails down the blackboard, it makes you shiver? I get that with paper. I do. Ugh.